Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Nevada, and welcome back to again for your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my second video for lesson 3 in geography, and this lesson is motions of the earth. Under this lesson, we have already learned about the motion of the earth, rotation and revolution. Rotation, I have already discussed you that the movement of the earth on its axis that takes 24 hours, and this movement of the earth is called rotation. And revolution, it means that movement of the earth through which the earth moves around the sun in its orbital plane. And this motion of the earth takes 365 and 1 by 4 days. It means a year. We always study this second motion of the earth as revolution. We find it takes 365 and 1 by 4 days. Now we have to understand this duration. First of all, we should care on 365 days. It means it is taken as a year. And 1 by 4, it means it is the fourth part of 1 day. The earth day is called 1 day, which takes 24 hours. And when we divide it, we find the fourth part of this 24 years rest 6 hours. So we take it after for our convenience. First of all, we take 365 days for a year, and these saved 6 hours are added to make 1 day. Like this, we count 366 days, the duration of our earth revolution. And do you know in which month of the year these 6 hours are added 4 times that make 1 day? In the month of February. So at every fourth year, February is always of 29 days. This situation is called leap year. It means leap year is that year in which February has 29 days. And when it comes every fourth year, after fourth year. So after, it means every fourth year we find leap year, and in this year February is of 29 days. Now we come to the next point that we have to discuss. You have already studied your chapter out your book and try to follow elliptical orbit. Why? Because it is necessary. Elliptical orbit is that orbit on which our earth moving, it means moves around the sun. It means the path on which our earth is moving around the sun in orbital form. This is like the size of an egg. So it is also called elliptical orbit. It means in which type of orbit our earth moves around the sun? Elliptical orbit. It means the path of our earth on which it moves around the sun is called elliptical orbit. Now we have to notice that through its orbit, what we have to notice, our earth is inclined in the same direction. Do you know at which from which direction the earth moves on its axis? From west to east. So every day the sun can be seen rising in east direction. This is the reason. Our earth rotates on its axis, and the direction of rotating our earth is from west to east. So the sun can be seen rising in the east direction. Suppose that if the direction of our earth would be from east to west, then in which direction sun can be seen? Could be seen? Yes, sun could be seen in the west direction rising. So what is the direction of the rotation of our earth? We can say from west to east. So now when we study its elliptical orbit, we can say that on its orbit the earth is inclined in the same direction. A year is usually divided into summer, winter and a spring season. Why? What is the reason? I will discuss you about it in my next video. Thank you. Okay.